Hi everyone. I just completed a 15-day online training with Evision Technoserve LMS portal and I wanted to share my experience with you, especially if you are planning to start your career in IT or curious about how this program actually helps in getting place. Right from day one, the program was well structured with clearly defined module, experienced trainers, and real life example that made learning so much easier. It wasn't just theory, there were practical assignments and interactive sessions that really helped me understand every concept deeply. By the end of training, I felt much more confident about applying those skills in a real world job environment. What stood out most to me was the continuous feedback and hands on practice, which kept me improving every day. And the best part, this training actually helped me land a job at Skillsource IT Solution LLP with around 3.2 LPA. And I am really grateful to the Evision team for their constant support and placement guidance. So, if you are looking for an online LMS program that interactive, career focused, and truly helps you get job ready, I would definitely recommend Evision Technoserve. It's a great choice for serious, uh, uh, anyone serious about starting their IT career.